Hewitt Smithsonian Design Museum's Designing for Change initiative believes that community design can be initiated and led by youth and everyday citizens. Our education materials give teachers and students the tools to be agents of change in their community. This results in discussions with community members that reveal how local history and culture provide a relevant context for contemporary issues in our nation. To get started, participants draw on their own experiences and listen to those around them to gain a fresh view of the concerns they are facing. We challenge participants to observe their surroundings with new intention. These strategies are based on the design process. We encourage participants to collaborate with others, to take risks, and to think creatively about how to solve collective challenges close to home. It is a way to allow youth to appreciate the art of being curious, generating ideas, and ultimately designing solutions that bring positive change to their community. This work builds youth investment in local history and their surroundings and puts them at the center of a community's resilience. I'll ask you what we ask our students. What bugs you, or what cool ideas do you have for your community? Now, what are you going to do about it?